Today, West Bengal is grappling with a severe economic crisis. And guys, did you know that West Bengal was once known as the industrial power hub of India like Gujarat? And the same state of West Bengal has now become one of the worst performing state in the country. According to official figures in 1960s, West Bengal was the top performing state in terms of GDP per capita. But now West Bengal's economic condition has worsened so much that it has fallen behind even states like Mizoram, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh. Similarly, in 1947, 24% of India's industrial output came only from West Bengal. But now as of 2021, this number has fallen down to less than 4%. Even in terms of employment figures, West Bengal was the worst performing state in the country. In last 7 years, West Bengal lost around 3 million jobs in their informal sector. These are the reasons that why West Bengal's economy is struggling so much. And if we dig deeper into the true cause of West Bengal's economic downfall, then the core reason is communism. So let's try and understand how did communism turn West Bengal into a disaster. West Bengal has been under communist rule for 34 long years, from 1977 to 2011. During this time, West Bengal's situation became so disastrous, like I said before, West Bengal being a number one state in terms of GDP per capita to one of the worst performing state in the country. And because of this communist rule, many big companies have abandoned West Bengal. Companies like Brook Bond India, JK Tyres, Philips, etc. Despite the fact that government had taken many initiatives to improve West Bengal's economic condition. Like in 2013, Mamata Banerjee launched the industrial and investment policy in order to enhance the manufacturing in West Bengal. But guys, the problem over here is big businesses are still fearful to invest in West Bengal. And this is because of communism. So now you tell me, how can the West Bengal overcome this economic crisis? Please do write in the comment.